Hello everyone. My name is Eugenio Morales. I am 42 years old and I live in Monteria. I am currently studying industrial engineering. In my free time, I enjoy watching YouTube and going to the gym. Everybody I wake Everybody I wake up early and train my son to school. After that, I go to the gym to exercise. Later, I go to work and at noon I pick up my son again. Then I return to my job for all the afternoon. Of night I spend time at home with my family. As part of our family routine, we just usually go to church to their to their hair and sometimes we enjoy eat fast food with my family. Thank you for watching.